Hello, welcome back. We are here in sunny, windy, Christmassy England, and we're gonna make some soy, ginger, and chili glazed chicken lollipops with wings and thighs. Keep it locked, mofos.
Let's go! Grab the food, add your spice, make it nice. I'm telling you why. Flavor Station's coming to town.
And we're back with one of my favourite things to cook. First thing we're gonna do is make the brine. We've got chili, cardamom, star anise. You're gonna need a pan, peppercorns, coriander seeds, shaker, toast that, high heat. Then a little bit of boiling water, not a lot, because we're gonna cool it down. Star anise in, another one. Bay leaves in, chili out the freezer in. Half a garlic, boom. Sugar. Now you need about 3 tablespoons of salt to a pan this size. But what we're gonna follow this up now with some cold water, which will cool it down. We don't want to cook that stuff, we want to infuse it. We'll just cook that, see? Put it into a dish, make sure it's fridge cold. Yeah, boy. Briny baby. Cling film that, bang it in your fridge. Once it's cold, grab your chicken, follow on Insta, you don't know the stays. Just give that a mix, make sure all your sugar and your salt is incorporated into the brine. What this will do, you see, the briny liquid, the sweet, salty, chili, garlic, loveliness, with those Chinese aromats, gonna soak into the meat and make it extra tender and extra juicy. It's gonna break down all that gristle and all that good, yeah? So we're gonna leave this overnight, but what you wanna do, as a rule of thumb, just make sure you leave it at least 4 hours. 4 hours should be ample. But we're gonna let it brine. And it's the Flavor Station Christmas quiz. In Japan, if you order nigiri, what will you receive? A, filled dumplings. B, a selection of meats. C, sushi. Or D, puffer fish. Comment below and you'll find out at the end of the video, boy. Now it's a brand new day. Preheat your oven to 200. We're gonna get this chicken out of the brine. I gave it like 18 hours, man. Look at it, proper tender. Now you just gotta make sure you remove as much of the liquid as you can, because we're gonna be sealing off the meat, then roasting it, then glazing it, then roasting it again. It's gonna be a mad thing, so just pack that down to bomba. Yes, man, dash that to the side. Now we're gonna make the lollipops. All you gotta do is cut round there, scrape off the bone. It's grotesque. If you don't like touching raw meat, then this ain't for you, blood. But this is ideal. You know these Christmas parties now that we can't have? Mix-free households, make some chicken lollipops. You're laughing, look. Bam! Remove the knuckle, but if you want to keep the knuckle on, it'll look like that. Just pull the skin down, look at that. Chicken lollipop, baby. Gas works. Now, if you like what you see, please subscribe, hit the ding dong so you get a notification and I can get some new equipment to make these videos better. Splash guard, sunflower oil. We're gonna seal the chicken, brown it off a little bit before we bang it in the oven. Yes, man, skin side down always, nice hot pan. Don't worry about them peppercorns, man. Once they're baked with the chicken juices and that, you crunch down on one of them bomba son, you gotta feel the fire. It's gonna be nice, blood. Yeah, clean down. Can't wait to get my new hob, blood. This one's being destroyed by the Flavor Station. Man. Yeah, we just want to brown it off nicely. It's going to caramelise all the... yes. Look at that. Roasting bag. You don't know the stays. Now we're just going to roast off these. We're not messing about, man. This is chicken. Chicken is life. Well, it had a life before it was brutally raised on crap food, murdered, slaughtered, and chopped into bits for me to eat. But hey ho, let's not go into this with any conscience. Let's just cook the meat. So after about 45 minutes to an hour, it should look like this. Really juicy, golden, crispy-ish skin. Yeah, baby, look at that. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, baby. I like to see it. Now transfer them over to a tray. Yes, now we're gonna make the glaze. You're gonna need some chili flakes. Boom. Sesame seeds. 2 spring onion. See them there? Scallion something. Soy sauce. And, plot twist, Buckwood maple syrup. Coriander. proper Canadian thing, that syrup. £12 a bottle. We're going to use it for this. Sparingly, of course. We don't want to waste it. And what you want to do is fine slice your spring onions, right? And then just chop them as small as you can, because you want that to incorporate all through the dish. Every mouthful has to have every aspect of this glaze, you see me? Star of the show, nice fresh coriander, you know how we do. Coriander is life also. CO2, baby. Now that that's all done, just give it a mix. You can smell how beautiful it is. Powdered ginger, I usually use fresh, but I couldn't find it because the supermarkets have been bloody rubbish. Soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, and then your maple glaze syrup, man. Oh, to make up the body. Sweet, sharp, earthy, floral, and just spicy. Everything. This is why Asian food's so sick, blood. Because it's the flavour notes, it gets you at every angle. Just bang your chicken in there, let it soak for a bit if you like. Like, it's even better, it gets all under the skin and stuff. It's sick. Oh my god, I'm so gassed. Any excess, just pour that on there. We're not cooking it again, we're just gonna bang it in a red hot oven, and then it's gonna just caramelise and just go sticky. Now it's in the oven, now it's cooked. When it goes all bubbly like that, now it's out. Oh my gosh. Konnichiwa. I know that's Japanese. This could be Chinese, Thai. Doesn't matter. The flavours are dead. Look on this something, blood. And when I tell you it was tender, it was that tender, it felt raw. Banging meal, banging food, rice, noodles, boom. And the answer to the Christmas quiz is C, sushi, nigiri. It's like rice topped with fish, all that good stuff. Click that, watch a video, subscribe, love you, bye.